Okay, so we're out back. I just fed everybody. I fed the pigs and the goats, so they're inside now. We're going to give these guys another training session on how to use this thing, because it's getting a little ridiculous. See, look. 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 See, like they're starving because they haven't figured it out yet. Look here. Look. I know, they're starving to death because you're too dumb. Here you go. Overall, a fairly unsuccessful training session. They still wait for me to dispense the food for them. And then they fight about it when I do. And these poor little babies are not allowed to eat for some reason. And Bowie, I don't even know where he is. He's over there. I don't even know when the last time he ate was. Morning, guys. It is the next morning. They're waiting for me because they still haven't figured out their stupid feeder. So I brought some tomatoes and we're going to do a training session where I put the tomato on the toggle and they peck at it. So let's give it a shot. See, what I've done is I've taken a little slice of tomato and put it up there. See who's smart enough to figure it out. Let's see. Get the tomato. Do you want a piece of tomato? There you go. Do it again. There you go. Okay, well, our tomatoes are gone. That concludes our training session for today. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please email me at twistedpinefarm@gmail.com. Thank you and have a nice day. I am in with the pigs. I'm going to show you how I've been doing the touch training. See? I'm going to give Herschel a little scratch here. He's a good boy. He's not too bad. These guys, or I shouldn't say guys, but the girls, they're not. Here. Here. See, they don't want me to touch them. You're fine. It's okay. It's okay. See? See? It won't hurt you. We're not overdoing it. I'm just doing a touch here and there. Maybe one or two, and then that's it. They've gotten better. They used to bark before and jump really far. But yeah, that's how we're doing our little training, and every day it gets a little bit better. Morning, guys. I awoke this morning. I had my window open last night, my bedroom window. And I awoke this morning to the chickens making sounds I have never heard them make before. So obviously I looked out the window. I noticed that there was some stuff happening. It looked like they were fighting. I don't know. They were jumping around and flapping their wings, and I just didn't know what was happening. So I put my contacts in really quick, put my shoes on, and I went outside. And as I was leaving, a bald eagle was flying past this tree. So I come in here, I scared it away, and these guys know it, I did. But I come in here and our little April is in this corner traumatized to shit because he almost got her. He almost got her, and I feel like I did see Alice, our rooster, in this area, like flapping his wings and stuff, going after the eagle. I'm not sure. But yeah, April's still here. She's still with us. You okay, sweetie? Are you gonna live? She's still with us, but she's got a few feathers missing. I don't think there's any injuries. I didn't see anything. I just see, you know, a few feathers out of place, and that's about it. So we got lucky. You see on her side here, it doesn't look the same. Yeah, we got lucky. That's kind of scary. I've never had this happen before. I don't know if it's just because they were out by themselves. Like maybe had the goats and pigs been out here, that might not have happened. Just because they're larger animals. Yeah, I've always let these guys just do whatever they want and free range. And I think I'm gonna have to revisit that idea because I can't have my little April over there scared shitless. But everybody's fine. I'm glad that I made it out in time to scare him away. That bald eagle. Alice, are you okay? Alice is limping. Alice is limping. I checked his feet. They seemed fine. So I don't know if he just like twisted his ankle or something. But yeah, April's over there having some PTSD. And I'm glad I made it out here in time because she almost got snatched.